Hello there, this is binaryoptions.com, and this one is referring to the Binary Options Academy project still under the Elliott-Wave theory. Our previous project with the Elliott-Wave theory was the implication of the break of the 2-to-4 trend line in order to forecast the ABC to follow. But this one is still related to the Elliott-Wave, so let me just take this one from here. Let's take the example that we've discussed and the 2-to-4 trend line from here. And I would like to talk about the implications of a running correction. What it is a running correction? So let's put it in here. Implications of a running correction. So what is a running correction? Well, first of all, a correction is not an impulsive move. We said that this is an impulsive move, this one from here. And a correction or a corrective wave, it is looking like this. Corrective move or corrective wave. Now this corrective wave has, or we have two possibilities of a corrective wave, or for a corrective wave. First of all, we have a possible simple correction. Simple correction, namely a simple ABC or a simple triangle ABCDE, or a complex correction. A complex correction. Now, when it comes to corrective wave and Elliott-Wave theory, you gotta think of this corrective wave not being only the ABC that follows a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because an impulsive move is also this one, basically the first wave, and the third wave, and the fifth wave in an impulsive. These are impulsive moves of a lower degree are being called. Corrective waves, ABCs, simple or complex, are also the second wave and the fourth wave in a classical impulsive move. So that is really important to understand. Now when it comes to Elliott waves and to these corrections, either simple correction or complex correction, one of the possibilities that a correction may form is being called running corrections. What does it mean, running correction? Well, running correction means that it is effectively ends in a bullish trend higher than the beginning, or in a bearish trend lower than the beginning. The classical example comes from a triangular point of view, or for a triangle. What would be the possible running correction for a triangle? A running correction for a triangle, it is looking like this. Let me put this one a bit lower. It is looking like this. You have basically, for a triangle, let's say that we have a bullish move for 1, or A and a B and then a C, like this, and this is being called a zigzag, A, B, C. And then for the X wave to follow, you have a running correction. What does it mean? A triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and then market explodes. From that very moment, then market explodes higher all the way to here. Why is this being called a running correction? What is the running correction? This one in here. From here to here, this is being called a triangle, but it is a running one. Why it is a running one? It ends above, attention, it ends above the beginning. What's the beginning? Well, the triangle started here and ends here. As you can see, it ends higher than the previous level. Now this is important because whenever you have a running correction, that market explodes virtually higher or to the downside if the trend is a bearish one. So being on the right side of a trend is important. Also, running corrections are followed most of the times by extensions, by third waves, and the third wave, we all know it is the holy grail in trading, in the sense that everyone wants to trade a third wave where the market is supposed to travel the fastest. Stay tuned for our second part in order to look for a classical example on Euro US dollar or another currency pair to see how a running correction is formed.